Hey guys, been working on cleaning up in the RC studio, so that's what I got there. Got the airplane and helicopter transmitters mounted, got all the Traxxas ones in that box, got that bolted down, got the spare ESCs up there, got all the parts lined up there, started putting 2 screws in this, putting the transmitters on the wall. Those are all Horizon transmitters, or Spectrum, or Axle transmitters. I might do that to the Traxxas ones, but I really don't have the room. So, yeah. And the Horizon ones are a lot more expensive than Traxxas ones. So, I got a couple more I gotta put up there. I do have a spare little piece of wood right there I could put right there and put some more transmitters. But, yeah. So, got the eRevo 2.0 right here. Gonna be fixing this up pretty soon. I'm gonna basically get a performance clutch kit for it. According to Traxxas, they don't even sell the whole clutch as assembly, so I'm gonna buy part by part and build it. So, but yeah, a lot more organized up here. Ain't everything all over the place. All the batteries are in here. I got lots and lots of batteries. The little drawers and stuff are down there full of stuff. I was going to clean them before I put them up here. But, yeah. Very happy with it. So, just a little update video on what I'm doing. So, catch you on the next one. Please subscribe, like, comment, share this video.